Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing eczema cream, how to mix, or how am I gonna mix my son's eczema cream. So if you guys know, I have been giving you guys update on my son's skin, and he was born with eczema. I will put the diagnosis of the eczema while I'm editing this video. I can't really get it off my head what type of eczema he was literally diagnosed with, but since I have him, you know, most of the creams that they prescribe for him, one actually works, but it's like, it's so, since I had him, he started using that, but that cream is literally making him lighter than what he is, like having two complexions, you know, into one. So I update the doctor for it to be changed because I don't want his skin to be lighter than the rest of his body and everything, or the affected areas where he has the eczema. He doesn't have eczema all over his body. He has it like on his eyelids and like right here on his knuckles, knees, like some part of his, so not every part of his body he has eczema. So most of the creams that I have been using, you know, I've been taking doctor's order, and you know, but you know, it's not working. So today I just decided, after reading a whole bunch of things online, and I have seen a lot of videos as well on YouTube and stuff like that, so I just want to go this route today and see basically if it is gonna work for him. So I went to the African store. I got me 100% shea butter, and I got to the beauty supply store I have tea tree oil and also 100% black soap. So I want to show you two different black soap that I have from the African store. So the first black soap I'm going to show you is this one right here. So this is the regular black soap. It doesn't say anything on there to say whatever it is. It just say black soap. This cost $5.99. So yeah. So I picked this up for myself, but it doesn't say what it says on the one from the beauty supply store, where it breaks down all of that healing, cleansing, and nourishing and all of that. And then it says no animal fat, no chemical, and no artificial colors. So I decided to go with this out of mommy instinct. I just decided to go with this as well. It says 100%, but again, the one that I got first, you know, as an African, it might be mixed, so I don't want to take that route. That's why I picked up this one. Okay, that's why I picked up this one. This is from the beauty supply store, and it literally cost me $3 something. Okay, so I picked this up, and I also picked this up from the beauty supply store. This is literally costly. I was gonna wait till I go to probably Ross or Marshall's to get one, but since I want to start using this weekend, so I decided to pay the price of it. Anything for the kids, you just gotta do. If I can pay money for my hair, why not? You know what I mean? So I was thinking like getting a bigger bottle instead of this, but I really didn't care at the time, so I just paid. This is $7.99. This is a tea tree oil for the skin. They have tea tree oil for the hair. So it's two different excuse me. It's two different tea tree oils out there, not just one. So you really have to read, and yeah, so this is very, very expensive. So I got that. And then the African shea butter. So I got this from the African store. This is 100%, and it hasn't been mixed or anything like that. So yeah, so I got this, and this is $3.99. Yeah, $3.99 from the African store, and this too is from the beauty supply store. And the last one I'm going to use is this organic coconut natural, oil that I'm going to be using. So you guys, I have a video already on how to do shea butter, but since this consists of mixing it this way and everything, so I will show you guys the full steps on how I'm going to do it. It's just basically the same steps that I use, but it's just the ingredients are, the only ingredients is really different is the tea tree oil, honestly. Yes, for the skin, for the itching of the skin. I wanted to get a lavender oil as well, but I'll just hold up on this since I'm just trying this for the first time. So lavender oil, I can always mix it in and then stir it up and everything. So yeah, so let me show you guys. Basically, I got my pot already on the stove, and so I'm just gonna empty everything into a pan and just mix everything in, and that's basically it, and let it cool. And then I'm just gonna whip it and then make it really soft. So I'm just gonna show you what I'm gonna do, and yeah, okay, so let's go. So as you can see here, I have my pot right here. So in this container, I'm gonna empty all of this in here. I'm gonna empty all of it in here. And then I'm going to put that right on top of here so it will melt. Okay, so once this melted, I will add the coconut oil to it, and then I will add 10 to 12 drops of tea tree oil. Okay, so this is how much it costs right there. So if you guys are going through the same thing like me, let me know in the comment section. So I'm gonna add 2 to 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. Okay, as you see, this thing is melting really fast. So I'm gonna take a spoon and put 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. So they want me to put 10, like I said, 10 to 12 drops of tea tree oil. Okay, so you can just do like this and it will come out like that. I think that's okay. So that's that. So now all I'm gonna do now is just mixing this up together, and then once all this is liquidy, I'm gonna let it sit, and then basically it. If you want to put it into the freezer, let it cool, and then after that you whip it and give you that fine texture, you also can as well. So yeah, so for the black soap, maybe if someone have a question, the black soap right here, this is what I'm literally gonna wash him with now, because I was using this sensitive Dove soap, so I will definitely be going back and forth with it with the Dove soap. I'm gonna hold off of it for a whole week, so I'm gonna try this one for the whole entire week and see if there's any difference in his skin. So I don't want to, like, you know, go back and forth with it. So I want to start this if I see any difference in a week, and I will let you guys know. I will put some pictures up of my son's skin and the affected areas on his body, so that you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, so once this is melted, I'm gonna let it cool down as well. I will also list down some of the medications that I have used in the description box. I might not list everything right now, you know, on the screen, but I will definitely list them down, you know, in the description box once I, you know, edited this video. So it's almost melted now, so I'm gonna turn my stove off and let it sit, and then let it form this yeah, so now I'm just gonna let it sit right here and cool down and form its oil, and then I'm gonna put it in the freezer before I start, you know, whipping it and all of that. So yes guys, so this is my dilemma that I'm facing with my son, and if you have any opinions or suggestions and everything, just leave it down. Like I said, I will put the diagnosis, you know, on the screen or the description box, what my son was diagnosed with and everything. So I'm gonna let this form, so I will come back when it's all formed and then whip it up and everything. Like I said, I will not show you that part, but I will just show you the final look of this. Okay guys? Alright. Okay guys, so as you can see, I broke my spatula here, so I'm gonna need that to put the stuff back in there. So I didn't feel like using my mixture, so again, this is very soft. I put it in the freezer so that it will give me that smooth texture. So now I'm just gonna play with it with my hand and then whip it a little bit and then put it in the container or containers. I got 2 containers. I'm not sure if there was still, yeah. So this is how it's looking right here, and let me just dip some and put it under my hand. So that's why I decided not to whip it, because it's already like this. Very, very smooth. No need for all of that again. Look at that, it's just melting. So I'm going to use that same container and okay, so I don't have to use my other container. I'm gonna use this bowl to actually put it on his skin so it doesn't go into waste. But yeah. Okay guys, so this is the mixture, and I hope this will do the trick, you know. So like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and post this video, and if any updates, I need to update this video. But this is the cream I made for my son's eczema. And yes, so guys, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Okay, bye bye.